Okay, we'll see the next point, that is the plate tectonic theory. So what is the plate tectonics and what are the different types of the plate tectonics? That part we'll see here. So there are the three different plates you can see here. That is, the first one is the convergent boundary, second one is the divergent boundary, and third one is the transform boundary. So there are the different six major plates are there on our earth, and various minor plates are there on the surface of the earth. But whenever there is environmental effects is there, some of the velocity, wind velocity pressure is over there. These factors are affecting on the different plate boundaries. Okay, and because of these different effects, so what will be happen? Some of the boundaries are moving towards each other, and some of the boundaries are moving away from each other. Okay, some of the boundaries are converge towards each other, some of the boundaries are diverge towards each other, and some of the boundaries are moving side by side. Okay, in this way there are the different plate boundaries are formed. So you can see the three boundaries are, one is the convergent boundary, second one is the divergent boundary, and third one is the transform boundary. So I request all of you, write down this new point in your notebook. Write down for the division in B. Write down types of plate boundaries, types of plate boundaries, types of plate boundaries. Write down this convergent boundary, convergent boundary. Second one is the divergent boundary, convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and third one is the transform boundary. Third one is the transform boundary. Write down these three types of the boundaries, three types of the plate boundaries. First one is the convergent boundary, second one is the divergent boundary, and third one is the transform boundary. So below this, all of you draw these three figures because these are very important figures. They are showing the plates are moving towards each other, that is nothing but convergent boundary. The plates are moving away from each other, that is the divergent boundary. And plates are moving side by side, that shows the transform boundaries. So in this way, there are the three types of the boundaries. Draw these figures in your notebook. This is very important point about the plate boundaries. Draw these figures to show the divergent, they are moving away from each other. Convergent, they are moving towards each other. And side by side moving, that is the transform boundary. So draw these three figures in your notebook. I hope all of you have completed these three types of the plate boundaries with the figures. So now we'll move towards the plate tectonics. So plate tectonics is nothing but a plate boundaries. There are the three plate boundaries that already we know. That is, the first one is the convergent, second one is the divergent, and third one is the transform boundary. Okay, in this you can see the pictures. If there is a convergent boundary, means that two boundaries are moving towards each other, and that's why you can see there is a deposition, means one boundary is going to be at the downward direction, and another body is another plate boundary is moving towards that first boundary which is going down, so that that overlapping will be formed over here. We can see the first figure related to the convergent boundary. In that convergent boundary, what will be happen? One boundary is going to be down, and another boundary is overlap to that first boundary, and so that that overlapping will be occur over there. And because of this convergent boundary, you can see the divergent boundary. They are moving away from each other, and that's why there will be a valley type region will be formed over here, because of they are moving from each other. And last one is a transform boundary, means they are moving side by side, and that is the name as implies as a transform boundary. The convective flows of mantle material cause the crust and some portion of mantle to slide on the hot molten outer core. The sliding of earth mass takes place in pieces and called the tectonic plates. Okay, in that the different tectonic plates, how these plates are formed, because of these plates are formed because of the hot molten metal which is cooled down, cold cooled down, that cooled down on the earth surface. Heavier material and denser material, based on this there are the different layers. Our earth crust is divided into the different layers that already we have seen in the interior of earth. And after that, because of the natural effects of velocity, natural effects of environment, the different plate boundaries are also formed, and these plate boundaries are like the convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and the transform boundary. So based on this, some of the boundaries are converged towards each other, so overlap will be produces. Some of the boundaries are diverged from each other, and so that there will be a valley type region will be formed. And in the transform boundary, there is a side by side movement of the plate boundaries will be over there. In this way, that plate types of the plate boundaries, that point is finished over here. So now in this lecture today we'll stop here. Whatever the remaining part, that we'll see in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you all. So we'll stop here for this today's lecture. The remaining part we'll see in the next lecture.